Hey everybody, it's Christina with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. We have a new administration. I want you all to think about what President Biden's term is going to mean for your industry. A lot of things were signed on Inauguration Day, executive orders, all of the people he's putting in place in his administration. Take a step back and look at all the changes that are being made and what it means for your industry, and position yourself as the expert and start pitching stories. This is an ideal time to position yourself as the expert in your industry and to make yourself an A-lister. So that is this week's publicity tip. If you'd like this and you'd like to learn more, check out our challenge at yourprchallenge.com. There's no cost to join, and it'll take you through step by step exactly how to do things like this. So I'm super excited to see you in the challenge, and then I'll see you in the media.